अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूँ श्वेता
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम है इंदर और आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे
चैनल में।
सो अभी हम किम दुआ करके एक यूट्यूबर है, चैनल है उनका एक वीडियो करने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है माय फर्स्ट मेक्का।
ओए ओके, चलिए देखते हैं।
Assalamu alaikum, 안녕하세요, 다우드킴입니다. 문제가 생겼습니다. So the Korean passport, we don't write our religion, but only Muslims can enter Mecca. But officially, I can't prove that I'm Muslim with the document. So this is the problem. 그 펄밋 있다는 걸 몰랐어. 와, 이거 뭐 어떻게 해야 돼? But fortunately, I heard that some office can fix that. So I will go there first. Inshallah, please, may Allah help me. I really wanna go Mecca. 자, 그럼 일단은 거기를 한번 가보도록 하겠습니다.
باذن الله ان شاء الله اموركم سهله ان شاء الله. اهلا وسهلا. فلبين؟ لا كوري.
داود كيم؟ واو
اسف.
السلام عليكم.
السلام عليكم.
ما شاء الله.
وعليكم السلام. وعليكم السلام.
But his passport is still showing around 12-13 days.
14 days.
No problem. Day after tomorrow we are going. Maybe 5 buses we are going. Umrah. Day after tomorrow.
Would you like you go with them? That will be free of cost. And
Everything free of cost.
food and there is
We'll go to the
da'wah
hotel.
also.
We will go. Yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah, we want to welcome.
What's back
Are you
there?
sure?
I'm
That
very
would be
happy.
fine, yes.
Yeah.
sure?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You're kidding me.
No, why are you kidding?
Oh my God.
This is from Sri Lanka.
Philippines. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Actually, I was really worried a lot. I don't know how to enter and what do I wear. I don't know anything. So if I join you, it's really amazing. I find solution. Allah help me. Allah help me. Can you believe that? Wow. 사우디 대박이다 진짜. Why are they so generous? I can't believe that. It's out of level. Subhanallah.
This
Yeah.
is Islam. Islam is love. Islam is peace.
Alhamdulillah.
ممكن يشهد الإسلام والآن نسوي له شهادة دقيقة.
High five. Yes, high five. It's working finally. Alhamdulillah. This was so difficult. Yes, mashallah. Thank you so much. Yes. 자, 이제 갑시다. 메카로.
Okay.
Let's go.
Mujahid Walid, brother Kim. This is your first.
Yeah, this is my first Umrah. First Saudi Arabia, first Mecca.
For me, this is 5 times.
5 times? Wow, that's a lot.
5 times.
So you have a lot of experience. Please help me. Please help me.
Kim, Dawood.
Yes, Kim Daoud. Oh, so I will go Mecca with this bus. See you later, bro.
Kim, please don't.
My son, you need to. Assalamu alaikum. Mashallah, mashallah. My first Umrah.
And this is my 5th Umrah.
A book for Umrah.
Happy by bus.
Without having underwear. Okay.
Your first Umrah. Okay, 1, 2. Okay.
Where are you from?
From India.
India? Nice to meet you. Your first Umrah or
I am
many times?
From that. Yes.
Okay. You have to teach me. It's my first time.
Congratulations.
Mashallah, mashallah. What are you doing here?
Having dinner. Come.
Dinner? No. I ate too much. I ate already. Oh, it's good.
Good.
Oh, 맛있어. Very good. Are there many Muslims in India? 2 million. 200 million?
Yes.
Can you guess whom among all of these is Pakistani?
You're Indian. You're Pakistani. Right? No? You're Pakistani? No? You? Oh my god, I'm sorry.
If you want to do the Umrah for someone else, لبيك اللهم عمرة عن then you state the name of the person. For example, I would say لبيك اللهم عمرة for my father, for my mother, for my sister. جزاك الله خير.
عند المسجد أفضل. 여기서 샤워하는 건가? 이ህ람, we should wear the ihram. 샤워하는 거 하겠습니다.
One be like that. This is Gilligan. One be like that, and the other do like that. Finish? Yes.
Oh, alhamdulillah.
That is all.
اشرب بحمام العيد ان شاء الله. يا اخي والله ما انا عارف عنك عريس عريس يا رب.
As you like this or this?
Maybe black.
No problem.
I will pay you that.
No, no, no problem. No problem. Then buy. هات واحد يا شيخ.
Mecca?
Did you say لبيك عمرة؟
لبيك عمرة.
فإن حبسني حابس
حبسني حابس
فمحلي حيث حبستني. تقول بسم الله والله أكبر. You say in the first rak'ah or you read سورة الكافرون قل يا أيها الكافرون, and in the next one سورة الإخلاص.
오, 괜찮네. Let's go to my first umrah. Let's go. Kaaba. Holy bus to Gohara. 장난하다. So huge. So huge. 마샬라. 엄청나다 진짜. 심장이 두근두근 되는 것 같아. I'm in another world now. Here. It's totally amazing.
Yeah. Right? Yes. So this is the start, this is the end.
Ah, okay, I get it.
Okay? So it is opposite to the black rock. Okay?
Okay. Oh, this is Kaaba?
Yeah, this is the black.
Oh,
Yeah.
so we pray to this direction every day.
This is our direction to pray
Oh.
every way.
It's my first time to see this. Oh.
Yeah, this is Kaaba.
الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم صحيح. اللهم آتنا في الدنيا حسنة.
Start when you see this black stone.
Yes.
This corner. Bismillah, Allahu Akbar.
Bismillah. Bismillah. Allahu Akbar.
And go dua, any dua.
Okay.
Any dua. Okay?
It's just noticing us.
ربنا
آتنا
آتنا
في الدنيا
في الدنيا حسنة
وقنا عذاب النار.
وقنا عذاب النار.
And you say, you repeat this till you reach Allahu Akbar, you start another round. Second.
Allahu Akbar
And this is
again.
first.
Special place.
This which is Kaaba.
Oh.
I will show you the meaning. We'll go a little there, little crowd, and we'll go and see. This is dua.
Special dua.
Many dreams in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream. Cause we don't be satisfied for what we have.
What is your feeling now?
Very peaceful. Very peaceful and very heartwarming. I feel very blessed. It feels like my dreams come true. Because I pray to this direction for 2 years every day, and finally I come here. Alhamdulillah. So I feel really amazing. Alhamdulillah. This is so peaceful. I can't believe that I come here. I feel cry. I will make dua for my family and
What you want to be?
Yes.
Want to be? So call dua.
yes, I will pray for you
I
too.
will also for you. I will dua for you.
Yeah, I will pray for all Muslim brothers, sisters.
Bismillah, Allahu Akbar.
Bismillah, Allahu Akbar.
Now this is stone is kept here. It's called Muqam Ibrahim. They are making trace in this stone. And it is covered.
Allahu Akbar.
وعليكم السلام
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah.
So in Safa and Marwa, the wife of Ibrahim was looking for water or something to feed her children. Her children is Ismail. Okay? Then she moved between Safa and Marwa. Sometimes she was running. That's why we need to run between the green lights.
We are feeling we're struggling.
Yes. Look. Look, this one, the green. This is where Hajar was running.
생각보다 꽤 멀어요. I can feel that. How she was struggling. It's finished?
Yes.
I'm so proud. I do first Umrah.
Yes.
Finally.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
This is good, and maybe next
Very
time
good.
will be Hajj.
Yeah, maybe next time Hajj.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Very good. 지금 타라위라 하러 왔습니다. 타라위. 잼잼 못해? Yes. 됐습니다. So it was really amazing Tarawih and amazing Umrah. It was my first time Umrah and it's really unforgettable and amazing, heart-touching, heartwarming. May Allah accept my Umrah. And here is my friend. He's from Jordan.
Yeah.
And he's from also Jordan. And he's from Sudan. MashaAllah. Okay, so thank you for watching my video and take care and be safe. Alhamdulillah. Ma'asalama. 감사합니다. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, so when I was young,
Yeah.
my father told me that it is not the people that go to Umrah, it is Allah that invites other people to Umrah. So they should feel special because they are the guests of Allah when they go for Umrah.
Subhanallah. Allah invite me.
Yes, Allah invited you.
So lucky.
Yeah,
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
I've been waiting.
Oh. So if you see, देखोगे अगर तो actually प्रॉब्लम था कि उसके पासपोर्ट
में रिलीजन
religion नहीं देखते. So for that he did not have a proof like he's Muslim or not. But वहाँ पे वो people knew him because of the video basically.
Videos and everything. Yes. But बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था उनको देख के. मैं भी थोड़ा इमोशनल हो गई. Like वो
जितने भी वीडियोस देख रहे हैं मक्का के ऐसे एक
फील आता है,
अलग आता है. लाइक
अलग आता है,
थोड़ा सा कूल काम डाउन हो जाता है. लाइक
काम डाउन. तो मैं पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो, मुझे तो सुकून मिलता है जब भी मैं देखती हूँ. जब भी ऐसा मतलब लगता है कि ओके क्या एक्सपीरियंस था.
फील होता है कि वहीं पे हम ऐसा.
है ना,
मतलब कितना अच्छा लगता है यार. सर तो मैं बोलते ना लोग जो ये सब मक्का की वीडियो तो मैं खुश है. चले और कुछ मिले,
चलो देखेंगे और मिलेगा.
बहुत
फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस कितना मेमोरेबल होता है ना. वाओ, काश हम भी जा सकते हैं. बट जम पानी नहीं, बहुत अच्छा लगा उनको देख के. फाइनली इवन उनकी विश भी पूरी हो गई. जो जहाँ बोला ना अल्लाह इनवाइट्स यू, खुश दिल खुश हो गया.
और अभी काफी कुछ बाकी है ट्रेडिशन में, तो
हमें तो अभी 1% भी नहीं देखा। और देखेंगे
गाइस, ऐसे ही वीडियो में भेजते रहिए, तब तक वीडियो को
लाइक, सब्सक्राइब,
शेयर, कमेंट,
क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकॉन।
बाय बाय।